All right, so moving on to customer management. So my organization, here we have the account hierarchy. So at the top of the list, we have the client. So I've only got one client in my demo here, but this is how you can essentially have multiple companies or divisions listed to segment different business affiliations. So if you got an East and a West division, or even businesses that you keep to, or you aim to keep separate, maybe even separate teams or separate services, this is how you can segment your divisions appropriately. So this may be AquaPhoenix Scientific 1, AquaPhoenix Scientific 2, or West and East, North and South, however you want to divide, or even just multiple businesses. But you can still cross-weave users to be associated with both. So allows you to organize and operate how you want to, and is going to complement you in each of those ways. Very customizable. From there, from the client list, we have customers. So this is the list of my customers in the demo. Also, to kind of take that a little bit further, so facilities. So each customer that you have may have multiple facilities that you support. Each facility may have multiple buildings on that facility. Each building may have multiple systems involved. So we get very granular so that you can essentially run your business as you so choose, based on kind of a top-down approach, because there's probably a lot of, even small, medium-sized companies that have businesses structured in this manner. So we built that to complement. Up here in the customer header, you can go into customer list. And this is actually where you manage all of your customers, giving you direct access to go in, make edits, changes, and manage them appropriately.